Hola, welcome to Fan for Spanish Materials. Today's video is going to be extremely handy for you to talk about your appointments and things that you're going to do in the future. Let's start with the days of the week. Uh, the days in Spanish are called in the following way: Monday, lunes; Tuesday, martes; Wednesday, miércoles; Thursday, jueves; Friday, viernes; Saturday, sábado; Sunday, domingo. The days in the week are called entre semana. The weekend is called el fin de semana, the weekend, or just fin de semana, weekend. Uh, Now, lunes, martes, miércoles, jueves, viernes, sábado, domingo. Entre semana, el fin de semana. Good. When it's a holiday, we call it fiesta or festivo. Yeah, but fiesta is a very common word for it. It's fiesta. Okay, so now, how do we talk about these sentences like um, are you studying on Monday? Or when we are talking about events. So when we talk about events, that are going to happen or that happens before, the English on we use is going to be replaced by the article el. So el is the word that we're going to use when we are saying on. Let's have a look at these examples. Yo trabajo el lunes. I work on Monday. That's it. You got it here. Tú viajas el viernes. You travel on Friday. Next one. Nosotros descansamos los domingos. We are using los when it's every Sunday or every Monday or every Saturday. We rest on Sundays. Sorry, it's we rest here. Yeah, we rest on Sundays. So as you can see, on is the word el, and if it's every Sunday or every Monday or every Wednesday, and so on, we're gonna use los. Yeah, good. This is one important thing, how to use this on in Spanish. El and los if it's every day of the week. Now, when somebody asks you like, hey, what's the day today? You say hoy, which is today, es miércoles. Hoy es miércoles. Today is Wednesday. Actually, today is Friday. Hoy es viernes. Hoy es viernes. Today is Friday. Good. Um, okay, that's pretty much it. Now we know how to make an appointment. Let's say, ¿cuándo es la fiesta? When is the party? La fiesta es el sábado. The party is on Saturday. That's it. Good. Now, this is a special bonus here, and it's very nice that you learn it. Since we're talking about days, then we're gonna talk about what we are doing in those days. So we're gonna learn how to say going to. Yeah, I'm going to travel. I'm going to eat. I'm going to visit my mother. So we can say on Tuesday, on Saturday, we are going to Marta's place. Awesome. So let's learn how to say I'm going to or you are going to. So we are going to use these ones here. Um, we are going to use the verb to go. Remember the verb to go, ir. Yeah. And then we're going to add this a. Yeah. It's very similar to the English because you say go right? To. And the verb to go is what? Ir. Ir is the verb to go. So it's pretty much the same thing. Go to, ir a. So I'm going to, and afterwards, what do we have? A verb in infinitive, right? Any verb in infinitive. I'm going to write a book. I'm going to travel. I'm going to eat pizza. Anything you can imagine. So let's try. I'm going to travel. Viajar is to travel. This one here. So I'm going to give you 4 seconds to figure out how to say I'm going to travel. Starting from now. Okay. So I'm going to travel. Pretty easy. Yo voy a viajar. Yo voy a viajar. I'm going to travel. You are going to study. Estudiar is to study. Tú vas a estudiar. He's going to walk. Caminar is to walk. Él va a caminar. Yeah. Now on Monday, we are going to eat pizza. Let's do that one. On Monday, we are going to eat pizza. I'm going to let you do it. I'm going to give you 7 seconds to do this one. On Monday, no, 10 seconds. On Monday, we are going to eat pizza starting from now. Okay, I think that was 10 seconds. I'm not sure. On Monday, we are going to eat pizza. Okay. El lunes, on Monday, el lunes, nosotros vamos a comer pizza. That's it. El lunes nosotros vamos a comer pizza. That's it. That's how you say this. So remember, if you're going to do something, just put I'm going to, or you're going to, yo voy a, tú vas a, él va a, nosotros vamos a, vosotros vais a, ellos van a, and so on. Good. And here you have this example. El sábado, on Saturday, vamos a ir a la casa de Marta. We are going to go to Marta's place. That's it. Awesome. So now you know how to talk about days and how to talk about your plans afterwards. We're going to talk about this later on, uh, but it's important that you start using it now. Okay, gracias. Well, if you want to study this, so just make appointments. Well, first of all, Quizlet flashcards, yeah, notes and writing, that's great. Please ask others about what they're gonna do or what they're doing on Friday, on Saturday, on Monday, on Wednesday, yeah. And also tell others what you're doing on Friday, what you're doing on Saturday, what you're doing later, what you're doing tonight. So tell them. Um, well, later and tonight are valid because you're using the I'm going to, but for the sake of using the days, it's better if you just talk about days. So what you're doing on Friday, what you're doing on Thursday, what you're doing on Saturday, on Sunday, and so on. And that will be it. I hope you enjoyed this topic and you learned a lot. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Hasta luego.